Want to switch a career path to design? Or perhaps you are a seasoned designer and want to brush up on your skills. Or are you a design mentor in need of exercises for your mentees to hone their skills? EPAM Designer's Workbook is here for you. Practical tasks to train the essential experience design skills. For the levels from junior to middle, these exercises are based on real design practice. All you need is dedication and time. It is a free course for self-education. More than 50 exercises to boost your portfolio. Do all the exercises in the book and get about 15 new cases showing off your diverse design capabilities. Cool, huh? This course is conjured up for you by a team of EPAM practitioners who love the design and want to share their skills with others. So what are you waiting for? Register for the course on learn.epam.com. Jumpstart your career in design, and let's learn and grow together.